Welcome to the in front of me Nokia G21, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So let's first launch the settings app, and after that tap here on the sound settings. After that just slide to the right side with your finger this blue dot, and now we can say that we just successfully unmute our device ringtone. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button of your device, and after that click here on the settings icon. Just here you will see also the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute it you should swipe to the right side as blue dot, and then just click here to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.